The difference between starting at 20 or waiting until 40? It's almost £500,000. And both people saved the same money. Let's compare two savers. Saver A starts young at age 20. Saver B waits until age 40. Both put away $200 a month for 25 years. Saver A pays in $200 a month from 20 to 45. That's $60,000 in contributions. With growth, it's already worth around $152,000. Saver B waits until age 40, then also saves $200 a month for 25 years. By 65, their pot is worth about $152,000 too. Here's the catch. Saver A stops saving at 45, but leaves the money invested. By 65, that $152,000 has grown to nearly $600,000 without adding another penny. Both saved the same amount, $60,000, but Saver A ends with almost 4 times more, simply by starting earlier. This is why we use the 75-15-10 money management plan. 75% of your income goes to living, 15% to investment, and 10% to savings for a rainy day. The exact numbers will change for everyone, but the principle is the same. Start saving as soon as you can, prioritize it, and keep going. When you stay consistent, compounding works its magic. Time, discipline, and patience are the real wealth builders. So, would you start saving now or wait until later? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart money tips.